Alright guys, what's up? So Tom Hayes here, another Amazon FBA video. There's a lot of confusion I think around trying to build an actual optimized listing. So we're not going to walk through all the steps today, but what I want to start with is building your master keyword list. And when I ask people about this, when they say they're running PPC and it's not actually ranking them or doing enough for them, and they're wasting money and they're not seeing conversions, this is one of the first things that I would go back and do. And this is how I build my listings. I know that a lot of people today are hiring someone on Fiverr, hiring someone else to go do it, but I think it's actually really, really important that you know how to actually find your optimal keywords. This is important not only for building your listing, so your title, your backend, your bullet points, your description, even images, saving those images as those certain names, as well as when you're running your PPC campaigns, what do you actually want to rank for? So let's just walk through that really quickly today, okay? So we're going to use a bamboo toothbrush again. And, basically what we're going to do is I don't have a listing pulled up, but we're going to pretend that I'm entering this space. So what I did is we pulled this up again and I ran Jungle Scout on it. So this is the easiest way that I found to actually do this. And when we're going through here, okay, so we can see monthly sales, we can see kind of our top competitors, and so the Jungle Scout web app will allow you to actually run this and it will give you similar keywords. So what we're going to do now though is, now that I've shown you that, okay, so this gives you some ideas maybe when you're starting to look at them, but I like to be a lot more specific. So let's come back over here, and what we're going to do is actually run Jungle Scout, okay? So I'm going to take these top few here, all right, and then if we open this and we actually take the ASIN of this, we're going to do this, and we're going to run reverse ASIN this actual listing, okay? And then once this actually comes up, you can see I already have this sorted by exact match search volume, and I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to export it as a CSV file. And I already went ahead and did this, so that's essentially what I'm doing, but I just wanted to show you kind of what I'm doing. So if I come back to here, you can see this is your ASIN, right? So I just did it for 3 just because I just wanted to show you briefly how this actually works, all right? So these 3, and then actually we're gonna hop over. So Helium 10 has a free, basically 30-day trial, and we're gonna go to Frankenstein, or Frank, yeah. And what this does, all right, so you can actually then take these keywords, so while you're here, everything we just pulled in the CSV file that's sorted by the exact match search volume, we're gonna take probably the top 25, right, from each of these and put them in here, okay? And I'll show you why in just 1 second. So we're starting at 6, so let's go to there, okay? And obviously you do this for the top 5 probably. All right, so I'm not actually grabbing 35, I'm grabbing less than that, but that's just how that kind of laid out. All right, so we have almost 1,700 characters or 208 words. We can get more than that, but I just want to show you briefly how I go about doing this, okay? So the cool part is you can actually see as is, okay? It'll actually bring out all of these, but now what I'm going to do is actually put one word. And the reason for this is that I'm looking for my top keywords, and over here I'm going to go to frequency. So how often do these words actually appear? So from this list that we just derived, all right, using the tools we already have, I know a lot of people pay for actual subscriptions and actually go through the whole process with Helium 10, but it's an expensive tool and you can actually use it for free just utilizing what you already have. So really, what I start looking through here though, right, so I have 49 words, and we could have more, right? If we did the top 5, if we did anything else too, like, that's something else we could start going through, but, you can see that there's misspellings in here, all right? But there's exact matches for that. So smell great. No, that does nothing to do with it. Brushes, okay. But a bunch of these appear a bunch of times, right? So hello, bamboo toothbrushes about that. And you can see that, this is a company, all right? So we're not gonna be able to use that. We can't actually rank with that. Same thing with Wowie, all right? So you're going to start going through there, and yes, it's a little bit time consuming, but we're already using everything you have for free, and we're already going back through. So what you're going to end up with is a list that looks like this, okay? And what you can actually do is you can copy these and go like this, And what that actually will do for you is when you hit only spaces, now you have this in a paragraph format. So you can take that and, you can actually download a text file right here that you now have kind of your top optimal keywords. And you can do this multiple times, all right? But this is how I go about making my master key list for free. It's just something that I think everyone really needs to know, because when you go back through and look at your title, look at your bullet points, look at your description, look at your back end, and see if you actually have all these words in there, and then take this master list and run your PPC campaigns off of that, you're gonna have way better results than just picking kind of the top few words and going through it that way, because I see so many people doing this wrong. So this is just a quick video. Wanted to hop on and talk about that really quickly, all right? So this is just using, the free trial, and you have 30 days with this, all right? But you're using the tools you have, using Keyword Scout, taking your exact search matches and carrying them over, all right? And honestly, bamboo toothbrushes isn't a great example because there's only so many words. And as you can see, even in here, toothbrush, bamboo, toothbrushes, toothbrush that's spaced out, natural, vegan, eco-friendly, biodegradable, BPA free. So, there's a theme here, okay? So some misspellings, but there's other products that have a lot of other potential long tail keywords, and that's a great thing to have. So add this to your arsenal. Hopefully this helps. Give it a like if it does, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.